Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Just Be with Mahesh. A few days back we did a video on config connector. I had also put what could be the other possible way of putting the title, what happens if someone loves basically GKE very much. Now today I wanted to have one more video on the similar lines. Uh, the video is something of this sort. What is InfraQL? Open source product which is more focused towards SQL, or another way of putting the question is what happens if one loves SQL very much they start liking SQL, what happens? So let's look into the small demonstration of InfraQL. But before we look into it, a quick shout out. I'm starting my batch 8 starting from 22nd of January. If you are interested, please do drop me a email. Now jumping into this demonstration. So this is a product which I wanted to share, basically called as InfraQL. I'll put the link in the description. If you're interested, you can give a try. I tried it. It was really nice to try it. So you do everything using SQL. Now, if you see here, you run it in InfraQL shell, and you run a command like select star from google.compute.instance. So it's going to list all the compute instances in a particular zone. You can do group by all those things. Now it's not only querying, you can also provision the resources. Now if you see, I clicked on create, it shows insert into. You are able to create resource using SQL statement, which is really awesome. So let me just quickly try this option. So I'm going to go to downloads. I'm going to try it in Cloud Shell. So I'm just going to copy this URL, go to my Cloud Shell. Now I'm just going to use wget, download it, unzip it. Now that is going to give me an executable. I'm just going to change the mode. Done. Now a best practice is in Cloud Shell you create a folder called as bin and move it into this folder. Now the advantage of that is I can just do infra like this. So it is part of the environment variable. Now if I do this, I'm in the shell, folks. Now it's just a matter of me running queries, something like I just need to use Google. That is what they mentioned. So then do something like this. Select ID, comma, name from Google dot, what was that basically? If I just go to my features, google.compute.instances. Instances where project, mention the project, and zone, zone is Asia hyphen Southeast 1A, and the project ID is this one. I put a semicolon and I should be able to get the VM name. Now if I just minimize this screen and go to my compute engine, you should be able to see a virtual machine which I have created with the name demo VM. So let's just wait for the screen to show up. You can see this. It is provisioned in Singapore A zone. So that's the same thing which I see. Now if you want to basically say describe something, so you can also do that. So describe, so they had given those commands. It's just a matter of knowing those commands and you should be able to try it. Show services, you can do that. Then describe also was there. I had given a try. Yeah, describe this thing. So it's going to describe the columns. Describe compute dot instances. What was that? Compute, sorry, Google dot compute dot instances. Now it's going to show me what are the column names which you can use basically. So I can easily use this and get the details. So for example, if I rerun the same query which we ran, name host, I can just also have something like host name. Now I should be able to see three columns basically. There's no host name is what it indicates. Maybe some other field if I want to run it. Uh, Network interface, label, machine type maybe. I can just give a try with machine type and it should show me it is E2 series. So let me give a try. Sorry, what was the name? It was machine type. Looks like it is case sensitive. Machine type. I don't think so, but let me give a try. Okay, looks like it is my uh, the case sensitive. So I have to put the same case here. So this is how you can basically get it. Now to provision a resource also it is possible. So it's a cool feature I would say. If you are interested, give a try. Anyway, I have put it in my uh, bin folder. Anytime whenever I want to use it, basically I just need to run this command. It's there already. So this is another small tip for the examination. If you want to use a utility for a longer time, just put it in your slash home directory. Specifically, if you put it in bin folder, you should be also able to use it whenever you want. So that's a video which I wanted to share today, which is more towards InfraQL, which is basically how you can provision infrastructure, query your infrastructure using SQL statements. So your love for SQL is going to increase much after using this product is what I would say. Do let me know your thoughts and comments on this product in the comment section. Thank you for watching.